The best first aid emergency kit for camping is one that is specifically designed to meet the unique needs and challenges of outdoor environments. When camping, you may encounter situations such as minor injuries, insect bites, burns, cuts, and other outdoor-related ailments, so having a well-equipped first aid kit is essential for your safety and well-being. An ideal camping first aid emergency kit should include a variety of items to address common camping injuries and emergencies. Here are some key components to look for. Bandages and dressings. The kit should have a selection of adhesive bandages in various sizes, sterile gauze pads, adhesive tape, and elastic bandages to cover and protect wounds. Antiseptic and cleaning supplies. Look for antiseptic wipes or solution to clean wounds, along with alcohol pads or hydrogen peroxide. It's important to keep wounds clean in outdoor settings to prevent infection. Medications. Include common over-the-counter medications like pain relievers, antihistamines for allergies or insect bites, and anti-inflammatory drugs for pain and swelling. Blister treatment. Camping often involves long walks or hikes, so blister treatment items like moleskin or blister pads can be helpful to prevent discomfort and further damage. Tweezers and scissors. These tools are essential for removing splinters, cutting bandages, or trimming tape. Cold and hot packs. Instant cold packs are useful for reducing swelling or soothing minor burns, while hot packs can provide relief for muscle aches and cramps. First aid guide. It's crucial to have a comprehensive guide that provides instructions on how to use the supplies effectively in outdoor emergencies. Look for a kit that includes a camping-specific first aid guide. Additionally, consider the size and portability of the kit. A compact and lightweight design is ideal for camping as it won't take up much space in your backpack and can be easily carried during outdoor activities. Remember that even with a well-stocked first aid kit, it's important to have basic first aid knowledge and skills. Consider taking a first aid course or familiarize yourself with common camping injuries and their treatments. Having a properly equipped first aid emergency kit and the knowledge to use it can give you peace of mind while enjoying the great outdoors.